You guys have any questions?
He's hissing.
Also, if you could do us a favor, if you could go to TripAdvisor, and you can, oh, she has cards. She'll give you cards. You can write down mine and Tiffany's name. If we get enough people to do that, we might actually get a little bonus at the end of the month. So she has cards. She'll write down my name and her name on it. And you guys can go. If you don't want to, you don't have to. It's totally up to you. But if you do, we would greatly appreciate it.
What's your name?
My name's Ben.
Okay, thank you.
Her name's Tiffany.
Good job.
Do you guys have any questions, though?